Hi guys, welcome to this video about how to use gestures instead of the navigation buttons in the screen. So this is a Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite with Android 9. So I don't know if this is working for all the Android 9 phones or maybe also 8. So anyway, if you have a Xiaomi and Android 9, it will definitely work. So the problem which I have is when I scroll through a text, sometimes these navigation buttons are close to invisible, as you can see here. When I go down into the ad, they become visible, but when they are in a white text, they are actually completely invisible, and even worse, on some apps they completely disappeared, like on Twitter. So I wanted to get rid of that and try with the gestures, and actually I've done it now since a week, and I'm pretty happy with that. So I'll definitely replace that and leave it like this. So how can you do that? So you click on Home and go to Settings, and then there's here a full screen display. It's number 4 here. No, it's a little bit further down. That's not true. Yeah, okay, you have to go really a little bit down in the System and Device section. There's a full screen display menu, and then you can choose from either buttons or full screen gestures. So I don't want to learn the gestures because I already know them and they are pretty easy. So the thing is to go back. It's to swipe in from the left side or from the right side as well. So I usually use left side, because usually you can even do this with your thumb. Like, let's say you hold it like this, you're typing text messages and so on, and you can even use it. You don't have to go with your with the other hand or something like that. You can easily do this with the thumb or from this or from this side. It's really super easy. And what you also need is, of course, like home button. Home button is just from the button swipe up, and there is also a task manager. You swipe up and keep your finger on the screen, instead of just removing that, and then you can close all the tasks, no problem. So yeah, you can actually do almost everything. I mean, what you don't have, what I can see at the moment, there's no option for long press thing, which is like a menu long press for the menu button, which some people are using for to invoke Google. I don't know how this will work. Maybe there's also a possibility, and there's no long press on the return button to lock the screen. Maybe there's a replacement for that, but I don't know it at the moment. I have to research a little bit on that. But anyway, I like it way more than the thing, because really with certain kind of apps, it's almost impossible to see the in-screen navigation like it was, and so I can just go from here to the main menu or go back. Unfortunately, it get out. So yeah, to go back here to the main menu, just move it on the swipe in from the left or right side. So I really like it. I have to just find out how to invoke Google and to do the screen lock, but I'm pretty sure it will be possible. But I definitely like it more than the soft buttons, as long as they are not really good visible. So that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.